Hello everyone, it's Denise. I am at my apartment and just outside of my house. I want to show you my beautiful and cozy, nice, small apartment today. So let's go. Alright, now it's bright, so you guys can see everything clearly. I love my apartment because it's in the city. The location is so convenient. Not to mention that I get the best view of my apartment. So let me show you first. This is my living room. Let's see. So I get this small bed. Sometimes I just lie down here, and I have this cute little friends from my ex-housemates. Love them. Nice small cozy sofa and TV. And then I have all these plants, but they are not doing very well. I just watering them this morning and they doesn't look healthy. I don't know how to look after them. I don't know what to do then. I put next to the door, give them sunlight and watering them occasionally. My other plant, I don't know what to do to this. How they survive, Wilson? Yeah. Well, I need help. I need you guys' help to teach me how to look after plants. So if you know how, please leave a comment, tell me I need help. I don't want my plants die, okay? Help! Woohoo! That's awesome. I love Perth. Perth #1. It's a beautiful Perth city. Oh my god, look at this! And whenever it's raining, you can always see the rainbow from here. Just there, I can always see a rainbow. I love this view. I love Perth. I love Australia. It's nice, right? Cheers. Kitchen! Alright, it's a very nice small kitchen. It's small, but I got everything I need. Enough for me to cook a proper meal. So, which is good. And the interesting things in Australia is I think every house have kitchens. Not like the country I come from, which is Taiwan. There are a lot of houses without kitchens. So because food in Taiwan is very cheap and you can buy it easily. It's everywhere. Restaurants everywhere. It's too many. So fridge. I think I need a bigger one because it's so packed. Look at this. There's no more space. It's usually packed, but I finished my food. Almost finished my food, so it looks fine. Oh, well, guys, you guys have to try this. This is so good. This is my favorite chocolates in Perth, the best. So the cardboard to put all our food here. That's my housemate's one. This is mine. Love this oven, sexy oven, big enough for me to cook everything I want. And stove. It's an electronic one. It's just very easy to clean. And look at this. I want to show you guys this. This Toy Story cups. I bought it when I went to watch a movie. So cute, right? Anyway, so it's 2-bedroom. That's my flatmate's house. The room is a master room, and I live in this one, a very, very small one. It's all my stuff. My small bed, and I can see a good view from my windows. And my small desk. I do makeup here. I edit video here. I do everything here. And I have my dream board, beach, because I love beach. It keeps me motivated. Yeah, that's it. Second important room, bathroom. Alright guys, very nice and happy to share with you my cute cozy apartment. And please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below to help me save my plants if you know how to. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you all. See you guys soon. Bye bye.